Here at eRank, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy now. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with US shoppers. Then we'll analyze what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy these days. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details, to read the report or to check the trends in other countries, you need to head over to the blog. Here's February's US top 20 most searched keywords on Etsy, and as always, beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. Wow, you guys, we're shocked. We can't recall how long it's been since we've seen an Etsy top 20 list like this. Only 4 climbers. That's new keywords, the top 20. And they're also normal keywords with no unexplained mad spikes. Like last month's personalized decor gift. Here's a quick look at how that one looks now. The former number 8 personalized decor gift didn't even make this month's top 1000. However, it does at least nicely illustrate why we advise not to jump on these screamers, single month spikes like this. Just add them to a keyword list and let that watch them for you for a while. Moving on, here are February's climbers in current rank order, followed by their rank in January. As we said, the only surprise here is that there are no surprises, so we'll just take a quick peek at each of these, then we'll do our monthly click-through rate roundup, see what we can about what's selling best on Etsy now. Ranked third, here's Valentine's Gift, up from number 162. Anyone happen to remember how concerned we were about this last month, about the dearth of Valentine searches? Well, they've all come crowding back into the top 20. Yay! But oh boy, down quite a lot year on year, especially for January. As we mentioned in last month's report, back in January 2024, Valentine Gift had been the number 1 search. This January it was ranked 162nd. The search volume was down 94%. As we said, ouch. However, in February, it did rebound fairly well. Year on year, it's now only down by 9%. And while January 2024 had 8 Valentine-related searches in its top 20, compared to this year's paltry 3, well, again, February's is better. It had 4, exactly the same as February 2024. So whatever the heck was going on, it appears to have recovered. We hope your sales did too. Ranked 8th, Gift for Hers, up from number 389th. This was another one we were shocked to find ranking so low last month, and even more so back in December, because Gift for Her was once a top 20 frequent flyer, especially around every gift-giving holiday. Just look at the poor thing compared with December 2023. However, after guttering in January, Gift for Her has rallied. In fact, it's well up year on year now by 178%. And it's also got our trending banner indicating it's still popular now. Does it matter though, given how broad a keyword this is and that high competition stat? No mere mortal seller is going to rank for Gift for Her on Etsy. It does serve to demonstrate a return to the former norm we assumed was gone for good. Is it back for good? Who knows? Ranking 11th, Furniture is up from number 62. When we're doing our monthly reviews of keywords and monthly trends, we noticed that Furniture was number 1 in craft supplies. Craft supplies! And yet it didn't even make the top 100 in the home and living category. Huh? So, being data geeks, we scrolled down the keyword tool page and did a bit of digging, and we think we see the reason here. We used the broad match to see only the searches with the word furniture. Then we sorted the results by the search trend column. Doing this shows us what's trending most recently. The top 5 were furniture, mid-century modern furniture, cat furniture, vintage patio furniture, vintage furniture hardware. Next are 3 related to Barbie furniture, and we scrolled past them. And the next 7, all but preppy room furniture, are related to craft supplies for doing decoupage, rub-on transfers and painting painted furniture. Furniture transfers and painted furniture have excellent search history. Furniture transfers has had at least 1,000 searches in 12 of the past 15 months. It's also quite reasonable Etsy competition. And rub-on transfers for furniture has an average click-through rate of 112%. And unlike furniture, decoupage paper and rub-ons are cheap to ship. Are you here looking for what to sell on Etsy? These could be worth researching. Speaking of click-through rates, are any of you new to online selling? Here's a pretty huge tip. These click-through rates reflect how many times Etsy shoppers clicked a listing in their search results. Therefore, click-through rates are an indicator of purchase intent. That is, a shopper who's more likely searching with the intention to purchase as opposed to just browsing. Discovering what the most popular search terms are now with Etsy US shoppers is helpful, but for insights into which of these trending products are selling best, look at the click-through rates. And now back to our short list of February's climbers. Ranking 12th, t-shirt is up from 35th. Well, that t-shirt is trending is hardly news. It nearly always makes the top 20. All the proof you need that t-shirt's popularity is in the average click-through rate, 122%. Even for Etsy, which has the most high click-through rates of the e-commerce sites we cover, that is sky high. And that's without counting all the plural forms of the data and all the near matches like t-shirt and t-shirt. It's easier written down than said out loud. Unfortunately, t-shirt alone has twice the Etsy competition that Gift for Her has. So despite that enticing click-through rate, we don't recommend entering this niche. But stick with us because we bet we'll find some better leads in our monthly click-through rate roundup. It's your insider access to the top 250 keywords on Etsy that have the highest click-through rates. Are you here to find out what to sell on Etsy? Then this lightning round is for you. Here's the top Etsy searches with 125% or more click-through rate. And as we mentioned above, of the marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with high click-through rates. That said, even on Etsy, click-through rates of 125% and higher are rare. And we did these calculations based exclusively on February, our most recent full month of data, which means regardless of what their 12-month click-through rates are, these products show the most purchase intent right now. And of course, one last thing, some of these shopper searches could cause an Etsy seller problems, whether they might be protected by intellectual property rights or prohibited by Etsy. Please look before you leap. Over on the blog, Jan looks into even more high click-through rate keywords. We hope some of these prove to be profitable leads for you. She's also now working on the blogs for the top trends in the UK, Canada and Australia, as well as in Amazon and eBay. And even if you only ship within the US, you might want to check them out. She always discovers more about US trends as we research what's popular elsewhere. As always, we love hearing what you think. Got questions or suggestions? You're welcome to join us in eRanks' private Facebook group. With nearly 30,000 members from around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.